Okay, hello and good day everyone. No, so today we will discuss about combination. A combination, no, is a selection of R objects from n object in which order is not important. No, so we have here the formula. No, we have NCR equal to n factorial over by n minus R factorial times R factorial. Now, example here. In how many ways can a teacher choose 3 from 4 of her best dancers to join a dance competition? Okay? So combination to kasi nga ano, yung teacher dito pipili no ng 3 sa 4, no? So yung order dito is not important. Therefore, we have here NCR is equal to n factorial over by n minus R factorial times R factorial. Your n here is equal to 4, then your R is 3. So we have 4 factorial over by 4 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. 4 minus 3 is 1, no? And then expand natin. 4 factorial over by 1 times 3 factorial. Cancel out. Then we have 4 over by 1 is equal to 4. So we have 4 ways. Okay? Next, in how many ways can 9 friends form a team of 4 persons to play cards? Okay, from 9 magse-select ka ng 4 person, no? Magsi-choose ka ng 4 person para maglaro doon sa cards, no? Here, we have here NCR is equal to n factorial over by n minus R factorial times R factorial. Your n here is 9, your R is 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then we have 9 factorial over by 5 factorial times 4 factorial. Then cancel out natin yung 5 factorial. We have 9 times 7, 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That is equal to 3024. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 24. 3024 divided by 24 is equal to 126. So we have 126 ways. Okay? Next, in how many ways can a coach choose 5 players from among 10 players? Okay? Again, combination yan, no? So NCR is equal to n factorial over by n minus R factorial times R factorial. Substitute your n to 10, your R to 5. Then 10 minus 5 here. Nag-9 to. Okay, mali ako dito. 10 factorial over by 5 factorial times 5 factorial. No? So we have 10 times 9 here. Hindi ko na-edit. Next, 5 factorial times 5. Okay. Cancel out, no? 10 times 9. Ulitin natin yung sagot, ha? Yung solution. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 is equal to 30,240. Over by 5 factorial natin. 5 factorial is equal to 120. Now, 30,240 divide by 120 is equal to 252. Okay? 252 ways. So we have 252 ways para makapag-select ng 5 players among 10 players. Okay? Next, how many different 4-letter codes can be formed from the word Canada? Okay, even though kahit na may word na codes dyan, yung sabi different, no? So, ibig sabihin, i-remove natin yung mga pare-parehas dyan. Kumbaga, mawawala na yung order dito. Okay? So, meaning to say, combination pa rin siya. No? Kasi may mga codes na similar. Nagkaiba lang ng arrangement. And since we are selecting 4 letter out of 6 letters here from the word Canada, then we have NCR is equal to n factorial over by n minus R factorial times n sub 1 factorial. Okay? So your n here is 6, your R is 4, then your ends of 1 is 3. So yung ends of 1 dito natin, no, it talks about the repeated letter here, which is A. Yung A is 3, so we have 3 factorial here. Okay? So ito yung gagawin nyo kapag dating sa letters na may mga repetition. Then we have 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial times 3 factorial. Then expand natin, cancel out yung 3 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 is equal to 120. 2 times 1 is 2. 120 divided by 2 is 60. So we have 60 ways here. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. Evaluate the following. We have 8C5. No? 8C5, gamitin natin yung formula. Your N is 8, your 5 is R. Your R is 5. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. No? Expand natin. Cancel out yung 5 factorial. Ang natira, 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. Divide by 6 is equal to 56. So we have 56 here. Next, number 2, C, no, combination 6 and 3. No? Gamitin lang natin itong formula ulit. Your N is 6, your R is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 factorial over by 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Cancel out. 6 times 5 times 4 is equal to 120. 3 times 2 is 6. 120 divided by 6 is 20. So we have 20 here. Next, 9C7. No? Your N is 9, your R is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. No? Then 9 factorial over by 2 factorial times 7 factorial. Cancel out natin yung 7 factorial. Ang natira, 9 times 8 is 72. 2 times 1 is 2. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Okay? Now, sa word problem naman, in a 10-item mathematics problem solving test, how many ways can you select 5 problems to solve? So 10-item mathematics problem solving test, magsiselect ka ng 5, no? So walang order doon. So kahit anong piliin mo, walang order, walang sinasabing na order. No. Combination tayo, no? Your N here is 10, your R is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5, no? Then expand natin, 10 factorial over by 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Cancel out natin to. We have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. That would be equal to 30,240 over by 5 factorial is 120. No? 30,240 divided by 120 is equal to 252 ways. Okay? So that is for number 1. Number 2. Soloist is auditioning for a musical play. If she required to sing any 3 of the 7 prepared songs, in how many ways can she make her choice? Okay? So out of 7 na hinanda niyang songs, 3 kakantahin niya. So walang order na naman. Therefore, your N here is 7, your R is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 7 factorial over by 4 factorial times 3 factorial. Cancel out natin yung 4 factorial. Ang natira, 7 times 6 times 5 is equal to 210. Divided by 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. 210 divided by 6 is 35 ways. Okay? So that's it, no? So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.